Let's talk about something that's part of most of our daily routine. Grooming. Whether it's shaving or trimming, having the right tools can make or break your look. A beard trimmer might seem like just another gadget, but it's essential. Think about it. The beard is the crown of your face, and you want it to look sharp, right? Whether you're rocking a long, majestic beard or keeping it neat and short, there's a trimmer here that's perfect for you. So let's dive in and see which one's a cut above the rest. First one we are going to look at is Norelco Philips Multi-Groomer Series 3000, and let me tell you, this thing is packed with features. It's got 13 different attachments, including everything from a full metal trimmer blade to a nose and ear trimmer. One thing we really love about it is the self-sharpening blades. You never have to worry about dull blades or messing around with blade oil. This is a low-maintenance, long-lasting tool that's just ready to go when you are. Plus, everything can be easily detached and rinsed underwater, so keeping it clean is a breeze. The build quality on this trimmer is seriously impressive. It's got impact-resistant guards and a steel-reinforced motor, so you know this thing's built to last. Oh, and did I mention the battery? You get a solid 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge, plenty of time for a full grooming session. So, if you're looking for a versatile, reliable, and easy-to-maintain grooming kit, the Norelco Philips Series 3000 is definitely worth considering. Alright, now let's check out the Braun All-in-One Style Kit 7. And let me tell you, this one is all about precision and performance. It comes with 11 versatile tools, from a beard trimmer and body groomer to hair clippers, and even an ear and nose trimmer. But what really sets this trimmer apart is the precision wheel. It's got 40 length settings, adjustable in tiny 0.2-inch steps. If you're the kind of person who likes to fine-tune every detail, this is the tool for you. One of the standout features here is Braun's AutoSense technology. This smart feature adapts to your hair's thickness, ensuring consistent performance no matter the length or type of hair. Combine that with their Sharp Pro blade, one of Braun's sharpest, and you've got smooth, efficient grooming every time. In terms of battery life, this thing is a beast. It gives you up to 100 minutes of cordless runtime on a single charge. That's nearly double what many others offer. And it's completely waterproof. With all this premium tech, it's a bit on the pricier compared to similar models. But for the precision, durability, and advanced features you're getting, it's well worth the investment. Now, let's take a look at the Wahl Groomsman Beard Trimmer. This one brings a lot of flexibility to the table, and here's why: it can be used both corded and cordless. So whether you're at home near an outlet or on the go, it adapts to your grooming needs. That's a huge plus for anyone who travels often or just prefers having options. The blades are another standout feature. Wahl's precision ground, high-carbon steel blades are designed to stay sharp longer, ensuring clean, consistent trims every time. And while it doesn't come with a ton of attachments, it does have a 6-position beard regulator and various guide combs, so you've still got plenty of length options to choose from. Ergonomics also get a big thumbs up here. The contoured handle with soft grip pads makes it super comfortable to hold, even during longer grooming sessions. And if you're someone who's always on the move, the travel lock and brushed chrome body make this trimmer not only travel-friendly, but also pretty stylish. Next up, OLOV for Man Beard Trimmer. This one is all about versatility. It comes with a massive 21-piece all-in-one grooming kit, which includes trimmer heads for everything from your beard and mustache to your nose, ears, body, and even hair clipping. If you're looking for a trimmer that can do it all, this might just be your go-to. Like some of the other trimmers we've looked at, the self-sharpening steel blades here are designed to give you smooth, precise results while staying sharp over time. But what really sets this one apart is its USB recharge dock, which is perfect for charging on the go. Whether you're at home or traveling, keeping this trimmer powered up is incredibly convenient. Waterproof design, ergonomic grip, and a charging dock make this trimmer one of the best options and offers great value for anyone looking for a comprehensive grooming kit. Next trimmer stands out for its simplicity and precision. MANSCAPED Beard Hedger. Unlike many trimmers that come with a ton of attachments, this bad boy features a zoom wheel with 20 different length settings, ranging from 0.5 to 10 millimeters. That means you can dial in the exact length you want without needing a drawer full of guards. It's perfect for those who like to keep their grooming routine neat and efficient. What's also great about the Beard Hedger is its waterproof design. Fully IPX7 rated. It means you can use it in the shower or easily rinse it underwater for cleaning. Add to that a battery that gives you up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime and charging options via a C adapter or USB-C. And you've got a super convenient modern trimmer. So, if you're looking for a premium beard trimmer that's all about precision, ease of use, and long-term durability, the Beard Hedger should definitely be on your radar. Philips Norelco OneBlade 360. What makes the difference is the 360 blade that flexes in all directions, giving you constant skin contact and ultimate control while you shave. This design ensures a comfortable, close shave that follows the contours of your face, reducing the chances of irritation even in tricky spots. For added comfort, the OneBlade comes with a dual protection system, which includes a glide coating and rounded tips to protect your skin while shaving. This makes it a great option if you're prone to irritation or just want a smoother experience overall. And since it's fully waterproof, you can use it in the shower or rinse it off quickly under running water for hassle-free cleaning. In terms of battery life, it provides up to 45 minutes of constant power after a full charge. While that's enough for most grooming sessions, the downside is the 8-hour charge time, which is a bit longer compared to other models. But if you're looking for a lightweight and versatile tool that's easy to use and gentle on your skin, the Philips OneBlade is a fantastic choice for everyday grooming. And the last one is Panasonic Beard Trimmer. Right off the bat, one of its standout features is the quick adjust dial with 19 precision settings, ranging from 0.5 to 10 millimeters. No need for multiple attachments here. Just twist the dial to get your perfect trim, whether you're going for stubble or a well-groomed beard. It's all about giving you total control over your style. What really sets this trimmer apart, though, is the high-performance linear motor that delivers an impressive 9,800 cuts per minute. This means you're getting consistent power and smooth trimming, even if you've got thick or unruly facial hair. It's a serious workhorse when it comes to grooming. Then there are the cordless and corded use. 60 minutes running time on a full charge, but if you need more time, you can plug it in and keep going. Plus, it's fully waterproof, super easy to clean under running water. So, Panasonic Beard Trimmer is a fantastic option if you are looking for the precision, power, and quality. Having one of these in your grooming kit at home isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling confident and in control of your style. Plus, they save you time and trips to the barber, all while giving you a professional finish right at home. So, choose the one that fits your needs and enjoy the convenience of grooming with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on your favorite trimmer. Stay sharp, and see you next time.